Hello everyone. So how to install RANDONAUT Location Generator app. So here is the app. I think there are many variations of Randonautica app, but anyways, that's one of them. So let's just try to tap get it. The idea of this app is that it generates like random like coordinates, I think, and then it creates like random location around you, and then you can just go there and discover some like things which you think can be random, but maybe they are not, and it just give you some inspiration or ideas and stuff like that. And then you need to, and there you have it. So like, then you just select radius, like 3, and then you need to start an intention. And then of course there are like ads because it's a free app. And then you can just select and navigate. So that's basically the idea. And then you will get like locations to this app displayed either in Apple Maps or Google Maps or whatever. So that's the idea. And then when you go to that point, before that, of course, you need to think of your intention, of some ideas, what you're thinking about. And this is like the whole point of this Randonautica movement, that sometimes you can get really surprising finds on that place, something that can change your mind or your thoughts and stuff like that. Then you can just, if you want, you can cancel and remove location points. And that's about that. So that's how you install and use it. But yep, if it's a paid app, I mean it's a free app, but to use it frequently you will need to wait. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for watching.